In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Balance Connect, also known as overdraft protection in Bank of America. Before we begin, a quick overview. Balance Connect is a service that links an eligible backup account to your checking account to automatically transfer money if your balance isn't enough to cover a transaction. Turning it off stops those automatic transfers. That can be a helpful change if you want to manage your spending more tightly, but remember, you're still responsible for any overdrafts or fees if a transaction brings your account below zero or is returned. Let's walk through it. Start by logging into the Bank of America mobile app or to online banking on your computer. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your app is up to date so all settings appear correctly. Once you're in, locate and select your checking account from your list of accounts. This takes you to your account details where you can see your balance, recent activity, and available settings. Next, look for account management. In the mobile app, this is usually within the account settings or options menu. On desktop, you'll typically find it in a settings or services section tied to the specific account. Within account management, choose Balance Connect or Overdraft Protection. Here you'll see whether the service is currently on and which account, if any, is linked as the backup. To disable the service, toggle it off. The app or website may show a confirmation screen or a brief disclosure explaining what changes when you turn off Balance Connect. Read that carefully, then confirm. Changes generally take effect right away, though you may want to refresh the page or reopen the account view to see the updated status. After it's off, automatic transfers to cover overdrafts will no longer occur, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on your balance and consider setting up account alerts for low balances or large transactions. If you prefer not to use the app or website, there are alternative ways to make this change. You can call Bank of America customer service and request that they turn off Balance Connect on your checking account. You can visit a financial center and ask a representative to help you in person. And if needed, you can submit a written request following the bank's guidelines. That's it. You've turned off Balance Connect. Keep monitoring your account, especially after the change, and review your bank's fee schedule so you know how overdrafts or returned items may be handled going forward.